Kate Schwanke and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because today I am reviewing the Million Pockets backpack by JuJuBe. This is their caramel latte color. It's gorgeous. It is kind of like a peachy tan. It's very muted. I love it. It is gorgeous. The Million Pockets backpack is from their newest Beyond collection, and I cannot wait to see what other bag styles they come out for this collection. As you guys saw in the first part of this video, this bag is a decent sized backpack. It is not medium sized. I'd say it's a large sized backpack. It has tons of pockets, hence the name Million Pockets backpack. This bag does not have a million pockets though. Technically it has 22 pockets. It has 16 interior and 6 exterior pockets, including the mommy pocket, some bottle pockets, a tech pocket, and a laptop pocket, which I will show you guys all that as I unpack this bag. The Million Pockets backpack is made in this gorgeous, high quality and supple vegan leather, you guys. It is so soft to the touch and just squishy, and I love it. It reminds me a lot of a high quality leather bag because of the way it feels and moves. So I really, really like it. This color though, I can't get over how pretty it is. I love it. So I highly recommend the caramel latte color. It is gorgeous. If you guys are looking to purchase this bag, I will leave my link down below for you, and I would love if you guys would shop through that link. This bag is still available on the JuJuBe website. So going back to the size of this bag is 13 inches wide, 16 inches high, and 7 inches deep. So it's a decent sized bag, you guys. When it arrived in the box, I actually picked up the box and said, wow, this is kind of heavy. But looking at the dimensions and weight on the JuJuBe website, it says that it's 2.72 pounds. So that is without anything in it. Now the way I have it packed up today, it's actually quite heavy. When you get a bag made out of vegan leather or regular leather, they are going to be a little bit heavier than your regular JuJuBe bag. So just keep that in mind. For me, I think it's worth it because this bag is just so pretty. And whenever I wear it, I feel like it's just super luxe. So I'm especially loving the brushed gold hardware on this bag. It's really, really pretty and subtle. It's not a shouty type of gold. And I love this new JuJuBe nameplate here. The color of the actual badge matches the color of the bag. It's really pretty. So let's quickly go over the outside features of this bag. As you can see up here, you have some nice rolled tote straps. This can work as a crook of the arm type of bag, as you saw in my on the body portion of the video. You can also use it as your grab handle. You can see up here you have a coupler, which easily opens up if you want to just access your bag. If you don't want to use the coupler, just snap this in place, move it out of the way, and you're easy, just grab and go, and you have easy access into your bag, which I will probably use it like that most of the time, just because I tend to use the grab handles on a backpack more than anything else, because it's easier to grab it in and out of your car that way, and it's a lot more gentle on your straps, your backpack straps. So you can also check out this cool trick here that Rhea Supermama shared over on her Instagram. If you don't like to have your straps sticking up like this, you can have them nice and flat on top. So on the outside here, you have a bottle pocket with drawstrings on each side. These are very easy to use. They're little toggle drawstrings, so you can cinch this in however tight you need it. On the other side here, you have an identical pocket. On the front of the bag here, you have a nice magnetic closure tech pocket. You have a mommy pocket with double zipper opening, and I'm obsessed with these little split zipper pulls with the metal. I think those look super classy, and I love the weight of them. They're really easy to grab and pull. Also, on a dimension, the zippers on this bag are smooth as butter, and I love that. I love smooth zippers. You also have a nice flat hidden pocket in the front here with another split zipper pull. This bag has a lot going for it, you guys. You have 2 different compartments in this bag. So you have another set of double zippers in the front here with some really cute little split pulls as well. They're different than these ones though, which is actually good because you want lighter weight ones up here on top. But they open about halfway down the bag, as you can see, halfway down here. And then you have another set of zippers, as you guys can see up here, same pulls as these ones, double zipper opening, goes halfway down the back of the bag here. This is your laptop compartment, and I will show you guys how I have that packed up in a little bit. But that is the front of the bag. Let's talk about the back. So the back has another secret compartment back here. This is very much like the Be Right Back, the way it opens. I'll go ahead and go through it now because I don't have anything in there. But this is a great pocket for if you have an iPad or a smaller laptop that you want to keep in addition to the one inside your bag, or you just want to keep it a little bit more out of the way, that's a great pocket for that. Or you can keep your change pad in there. And this bag does come with a change pad. I was a little thrown off when I noticed that it was a black and silver change pad. It feels nice though. It is a memory foam change pad. I would have really, really loved it if they had made it in this caramel latte color. I think that would have been gorgeous. So that's a great place to store that as well. Now talking about the backpack straps, they are the vegan leather here. On the opposite side, you have the regular JuJuBe mesh padded straps. These are very comfortable. You also have these gorgeous gold accents on this bag. One of the things I really like about this bag that I wish they would do on more JuJuBe bags is that they added a fastener here for the straps so that they don't just flop around. If you have a lot of extra slack, you can adjust this. I like that you can move this piece up and down however much slack you want to have, but it also fastens it down here. At the top of the back here, you'll also see you have 2 brushed gold D-rings. These are perfect for hanging off of your stroller. And if you're wondering if you have stroller clips included with this bag, you do, and they are so nice, you guys. I have them hidden away in this bag, and I will show you what pocket I have them in just a minute. But that is a basic overview of the outside of the bag. It's gorgeous, isn't it? I'd love to hear what you think of this new bag style down in the comments below. Let's go ahead and get started with unpacking this bag. So as I showed you guys on the sides here, you have 2 nice size bottle pockets. And I'm gonna go ahead and loosen it just a little bit. This does slip in and out of here very nicely. This is a swill bottle, like 17-ounce swill bottle. And that's just filled with water for me. I also wanted to mention, I have this bag packed up as if I'm going on a longish type of drive with my son. So this is packed for me and Colton. But on the other side here, I have a sippy cup for him. So on the drive, if he gets thirsty, I have easy access to his water. Next, I want to go through the very front here. I really like this tech pocket. It has a very soft magnetic closure, so I'll let you guys hear. That's what it does. That's how loud it is. It's very quiet, and I really like this pocket. I actually have my iPhone 11 Max Pro laying sideways down in this pocket. It is not felt lined like the other JuJuBe bags, so just keep that in mind. But very easy to access that. I like that I don't have to get into a zipper or anything. So there's my phone. I don't have anything in this very front pocket here. Now, as many pockets as this bag has, you guys know I am a minimalist, so I'm not going to fill up every single pocket. I just don't believe in doing that just because there's a pocket. So I filled it up however much I felt that I actually needed to. And I actually really love the way it packs. So there's nothing in this pocket here, but I did want to show you. It is a nice flat pocket here. You guys can see that. There's no organization in there. It's just open, a great place for keys, a small wallet, snacks, all kinds of different things. Let's move on to the mommy pocket. So this is how the mommy pocket is set up. You have 2 elastic pockets down in the front here. You have 2 slip pockets here that are vegan leather trimmed. They're really nice. And then you also have a zipper pocket back here. So the very first pocket I'm gonna go through is this pocket back here. Now in here, this is where I decided to keep those stroller clips, because if I decided that I needed to have these around because I have a shopping cart or a stroller that I am taking out, this is what I'm gonna wanna use. They're really, really pretty. Aren't these nice? I love that these are included in this bag. And the price of this bag is like really nice, you guys. It's like $160 to $165. Really decently priced. So these are really nice. As you can see, they just strap over the top of something and then fasten with the buttons. That's all I had in that pocket there. In this pocket here, I have my keys, and these are just on the included key leash. It's just like on a ribbon type of leash. It's not their usual elastic type of ones. That's all I had in that pocket. In this pocket here, I have my wallet. This is a JuJuBe Be Charged. It's a nice flat wallet, perfect for traveling. In the front pockets here, I have 2 small set pieces. I have the Kawaii Carnival print here. This has things for me that I need access to quickly. So I have some lotion, I have a hair clip, a mirror, chapstick, and a folding hairbrush down in there. If you guys see anything in this video that you like, you can access most of it through the links in the description below. On the other side here, I have another small set piece, and I just have my face mask in here and my son's face mask. And that's all I had in the mommy pocket. As you can see, those zippers are super smooth. Aren't these zipper pulls so cute? I love those. Let's move on to the first compartment. So let's go ahead and uncouple our straps. Now these, that's as much as they fold down unless you push them. So keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this is how I have the front set up, and I will adjust the camera so you guys can see a little bit better. But first I want to go through this back zippered pocket, which is the caramel latte, and it's like trimmed in this super pretty rose pink color. I love that. I love that there's pink accents. So in the back pocket here, I have my sunglasses in my Madewell case. Now these are just what I'm definitely gonna need on this drive. That's all I had in there, but this is a fairly decent sized pocket if you guys see how far down my hand goes in there. And that is another vegan leather trimmed pocket. And it has this super cute JuJuBe vegan leather tag on it as well. So now I'm going to adjust the angle so you guys can see even better. All right, so here we are. This is how I have the inside packed up. Now I did utilize a lot of pockets in this bag, but not every pocket, like I said. So the first pockets I'm gonna go through are the two back elastic ones. Now I have two large set pieces in each of these pockets, if that helps you guys see how big those are. So I'm gonna push this back just a hair so I can bring this out. So I have a JuJuBe large set piece here in the Kawaii Carnival print. Super cute, one of my favorite prints. In here I just have a bunch of busy toys for my son. So besides my iPod that he's probably already playing with on this drive, when that dies, he's gonna want other toys to play with. So I have some number blocks here. He loves stacking those. I have number robots. He loves numbers. And then I also have some toys down in here that are these transforming Super Wings toys. So just some busy toys for his drive with me. Next to that in the other pocket, I have another large set piece. In here I just have a change of clothes for him. I have this in the linen color. Super pretty with the caramel latte color, you guys. Here we go. The bag is trying to slouch on me. So I have a pair of socks down in here, a shirt, a pair of pants rolled up under that, and a pair of underwear for him, just in case there's a reason we need to change him, because you never know with toddlers, but I do have that just in case. Now you guys can see those nice large elastic pockets. I did want to mention there are no insulated pockets in this bag. In front of the toy bag over here, I have a Chicka Chicka Boom Boom book. Once again, letters, numbers, those are the things my son is obsessed with, so he loves this book. Brings back all kinds of memories for me. Also in the middle compartment, I have a medium-sized set piece in the Kawaii Carnival print. In here I have lots of snacks for him for the drive, so I have some crackers, fruit snacks, a go-go squeeze, a granola bar, and I also have a little juice for him. Now in the very front here, you guys can see there's actually some mesh elastic pockets down in here. So these pockets are really great. Actually, this pocket, this pocket, this pocket, and this pocket are all great for diapers and wipes. So if you don't want to use a Be Quick or set pieces or things like that for those things, then these pockets are great for holding that. So in this pocket here, I have some wipes. And in the other pocket, I have my wet bag. So if there's a wet mess while we're out and about, I have something to contain it. That's all that I had on the inside of the bag. I did want to try to utilize these side pockets. I don't know if you guys can see those okay, but these bottle pockets on the sides are so thin, you guys. I want to say that they would probably each hold one of those skinny types of baby bottles. So I love that they are great for those, but I could not fit my Swell bottle in there. I could not fit my son's larger sippy cup down in there. I tried though, but it did not work. So if you have a skinny baby bottle, these pockets will work great. If not, these other pockets are very roomy. You can use those. Or if you could do what I did and just use the outside pockets, because these are probably the best thing for that type of thing. Now let's move into the back pocket. So moving on to this back pocket here, as I mentioned, you have another double zipper opening. This is the perfect place to store all of your high-tech stuff away from baby's things. I don't really have much down in here, but I do have my MacBook Air down here. This is a 13-inch one. As you can see, it just comes right below the zipper here. So this is another leather trimmed zipper that you can utilize for extra computer things, or if you just want to use this pocket to hold more of baby's things, that's great too. But I love that this is a padded sleeve. Right here you have a padded sleeve that has a mesh front to it, but the inside is not mesh. So I have my MacBook Air down in there. Comes out very easily. Now, this is all that you have down in there. You don't have very much space at the very, very bottom there. But you do have these two mesh pockets as well, and down in there, in the left one anyways, here I have my charging cable. So that's all that I have in this bag, you guys, but as you can see, I didn't utilize a lot of the pockets, but you have so many options with this bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you. And I wanted to say a big thank you to everybody who does shop with me. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys, and thanks for watching.